at length in the customary system. We looked at capacity in the customary system. Today we're going to be looking at weight in the customary system. And we're going to do this the exact same way that we did length. It's really nice to have one set of rules for all of those different applications. The customary measurement, looking at weight. Just like with length, we're going to have to remember some conversions. So for example, 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. That is a conversion that you will need to memorize. 1 pound, 16 ounces. Also, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. And one more that's good to know, it's not as critical, but another good one to know is that there are 32,000 ounces in 1 ton. So pretty much just 3 different conversions that we'll be looking at. And for weight, we're going to use exactly the same method that we use for length. Babies love milk. Babies love milk, which is the same as big to little, we multiply. And little babies drool, little to big, we divide. Let's look at a few examples. Our first example, let's take 2.5 tons and convert that to pounds. Well, on your calculator, you're going to start with the 2.5. And then you have to decide if you're going to multiply or if you're going to divide. Grayson, am I going to multiply or divide there?
Multiply.
Now he says I'm going to multiply. Why would he say multiply, Brian?
Because it goes from 2 to 5 tons.
Right, so we're going from tons to pounds. So we're going from a really big measurement like tons to a relatively small one like pounds. Big to little means we multiply. So we're going to take 2.5 and multiply it by our conversion. The tons to pounds conversion is 2,000. So we multiply it by 2,000, and we get our answer, 5,000. Let's look at another example. 12 ounces. Convert that to pounds. So we start with the 12. We're going from ounces to pounds, so we're going from little to big. So little to big, we're going to divide. We divide that by our conversion factor, ounces and pounds. Ounces and pounds, our conversion factor is the 16. So our answer there is 0.75. What's a fraction for 0.75 or 75 hundredths? Emily?
3/4.
Correct. 3/4. Number 3 says you've got 1/5. 1/5 ton equals how many pounds? Now I'm going to show you how to enter this as a fraction in your calculator. There's a few different ways to solve this problem. One way to solve this problem is to turn this into a decimal and multiply it that way, or divide it that way, or to leave it as a fraction. I'm going to show you how to use your calculator, the one that we use here at school, and how to use this calculator in order to keep it a fraction. What you're going to do is you're going to hit 1, right there at the bottom, here's your 1, 1, and then you're going to push where it says ABC, ABC right there, and then 5. What that does is it automatically breaks that up into a fraction. 1 ABC 5 means that's 1/5. And if you actually hit equals, it'll actually show it to you as a fraction 1/5. So when you've got 1 ABC 5, you've got 1/5. You're going from tons to pounds, so you're going from big to little, so you're going to multiply. And the tons to pounds conversion is 2,000. So you multiply that by 2,000, that gives you your answer, 400.